Hi guys, Colesy, and yeah, today I wasn't expecting to do this video. It's a bit of an unusual video. Sorry that my brain is slow and I'm talking slowly. It's currently 8:52 in the morning, and I do not like being awake at this time pretty much ever. Oh, Christ. So it's been a bit of a crappy start. It's freezing cold this morning for starters. And then went to take Sarah to work and came out to the car, and the car had a flat tyre. I had a flat tyre the other day, but I pumped it up. And I was like keeping an eye on it because I was expecting it to be like a slow puncture because it kept the air in it the other day. So yeah, over the weekend it's obviously deflated again. So I had a flat tyre again this morning, which is not what you want when you get up in the morning and it's freezing outside and early. So the plan is, I've come to my parents' house, outside my parents' house right now. No one's in, everyone's out of work and stuff, so it's good for social distancing and all that goodness. They've got a little bit more room outside their house to work on the car. It's not really work on the car. I'm going to try and change my own wheel. I've never done it before. I've kind of done it with my dad's help, and by kind of done it, I mean my dad did it and I was there. I'm going to try and change my car tyre and fix the car. I'm not changing the tyre. I'm changing the wheel. Let's use the correct words. I'm not changing the tyre. I don't have the equipment to do that. But what I can do is swap the wheel to another wheel that I've got in the boot, which is a full wheel. It's not like a space saver. So I can just put that on, and then I'll just leave this tyre here. Well, leave the other wheel here, and hopefully I'll persuade my dad to take it to the garage and get it sorted for me. I kind of do have time today, but I could really do with getting home to do some more recording, some more editing, and also we've got a whole bunch of parcels that we're expecting, so I really could do with getting home ASAP, but I expect this is going to take me longer than it probably should because I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway, before we get started on the car, first things first, at my parents' house, no one's home. Let's go raid their cupboards and see what they've got to eat, because that's what you do when you go to your parents' house. First thing you do, you walk in, check the cupboards, check the fridge. Whatever they got to eat, I'm gonna eat it. I'm hungry, I'm gonna need my energy to figure out what the hell I'm doing with my car. Luckily, they've been shopping recently, so they've got some tasty ass looking bread. So I'm gonna have some toast, maybe a little sandwich and a cup of tea before I get started. It's early, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna put some toast on. While I'm here, they've recently got a hot tub, so maybe we'll go nose at that. I'll put the kettle on and then we'll go look at the hot tub. Let's have a look at this new hot tub. Ooh, that's looking nice. Hot tub. Is it hot? I wonder if it's hot. I mean, it should be. It's a hot tub, right? That's actually very nice. I would have a go, except I didn't bring anything to wear. Could just steal their clothes. I'll decide that in a bit. After that, I've been. What the hell is that? I don't know what I did. I made it make a noise. It's making a loud noise. I'll decide if I'm going to go in a bit after I've tried to fix the car, I guess. I should focus on that first. Maybe I'll get all sweaty and all gross and I'll be like, oh, hot tub to clean it. No, you don't really clean off in a hot tub, do you? You just chill out. I won't go in the hot tub. Not today, but soon. And they can't stop me, they're not even here. Anyway, let's go make breakfast. Breakfast finished, was good, didn't have to pay for it, stole it from my parents, always good, free breakfast, tastes the best. Right, so I've had a look, I'm a millennial, I Google how to do things, I try and find tutorials on how to do stuff that I don't know how to do. I don't know how to change my wheel, really. I mean, obviously you like unscrew the other one and put the new one on. You undo the old one, you take it off, you put the new one on, you have to jack the car up at some point to do that. That's pretty much as much as I know. So yes, Googled a tutorial, found one from Bridgestone, the people who make tyres. I assume that they're going to have a fairly good tutorial on how to change a wheel. So I'm gonna try and follow that. That's the plan. I've also rang my dad just to explain that I'm at his house to do this. And he was like, oh yeah, make sure you do. He explained a little bit more. I've now got to go in the boot, get out the wheel, the new wheel, the jack, and the tools and things that I need. And then I'm gonna try and follow the instructions and change this wheel. I preferred eating breakfast, to be fair, than I do the thought of changing this wheel, but hopefully I can get it done fairly quickly so I can do stuff that's productive. And I mean, this is technically productive, but it's not really what I intended on doing today. I think I did it. Don't want to blow my own trumpet, but I think I did it, and it wasn't too bad. I don't like the jacking up, that weirds me out, and I was worried I was doing it wrong. But it seemed to work, and I've changed the wheel, so again, not blowing my own trumpet, but I think I've bloody nailed it. Jobs are good enough, I think. Everything is done, wheels back on. I've successfully managed to drive home, and the wheel hasn't fallen off. So I think it's all round been a success, I would say. I think it was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I know these videos are a bit weird, but it's very different from my usual content, but I like to do these funny little things. Sorry, I'm eating a mint. I like to do these little videos when something different in my life comes up, and it might lead to something funny or entertaining. I guess that's the reason. There was potential for it to go very, very wrong, and it could be very, very entertaining. But turns out I'm actually better than I think I might be at doing these kind of things. So I managed to do it. That's good. It's a good thing. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy. Maybe we'll do more of these vlogs in future when weird stuff happens. I don't know. Right, I'm going to go in and do actual work and videos and editing and stuff now. So anyway, catch you guys in a bit. Bye!